MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides expert AC replacement in Pottstown, PA, helping homeowners and businesses upgrade to reliable, energy-efficient cooling systems. If your space cool, our experienced technicians can recommend the best replacement option for your needs and budget. We handle the entire process, including safe removal of the old unit and precise installation of a new, high-performance system. Our goal is to improve comfort, reduce energy costs, and ensure long-term reliability. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for dependable AC replacement in Pottstown, PA. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for the AC replacement near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides AC replacement in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair offers professional AC replacement in Pottstown, PA for homeowners and businesses needing reliable cooling solutions. If your current air conditioner is outdated, inefficient, or frequently breaking down, replacing it with a modern system can significantly improve indoor comfort. How much does AC replacement cost in Pottstown, PA? The cost of AC replacement in Pottstown, PA depends on factors such as the size of the home, the type of air conditioning system, and the efficiency rating of the new unit. What is your AC replacement in Pottstown, PA? Our local AC replacement has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://pjmashvats.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/.